Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the controller safe and exposed. Remove the battery, undo the back screws, and lift the shell. Next, unplug the ribbon and remove the faceplate so you can access the joystick PCB. Once the board is visible, mark the joystick orientation with a small sticker and check for plastic clips or shielding that must come off. You should ground yourself and heat the iron to about 350–370 degrees C. Then tin your tip so the first desoldering goes cleanly. Now you desolder the old joystick. Hold the iron to each pin long enough to melt solder, then use a wick or pump to clear it. Once solder is removed, gently lift the joystick free while heating any stubborn pads. Fit the replacement module, making sure its orientation and plastic mounting match the PCB markings. Press it flat. Apply flux, tack one pin to hold it, then solder the remaining pins with smooth, concave joints. Make sure to avoid excess solder and check pad integrity before moving on. You finish by reconnecting the ribbon cables, seating the PCB, and closing the shell. Tighten screws evenly so nothing flexes. Once reassembled, power the controller and run a full calibration and button test on the console to verify axis range, centering, and dead zones. If inputs are off, unplug and re-inspect solder joints for cold joints or bridges and reflow as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if drift remains after good soldering, swap in another known good joystick module.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.